I'm at the conference. Going very good so far. It's a 6 hours conference from 9 to 3. And we're just 2 hours in, so 4 more hours to go.
You're leaning into kind of that short form content. The way that we pick YouTube videos into other people's experience.
Back to the conference. It's really nice. I'm learning so much about marketing and social media, and this wasn't even work related, but I mean, God just, I mean, the way God does his things is so amazing, and all of a sudden it's an all-rounder. I mean, it's gonna help me in all areas of my life, personally and professionally. So it's really nice, really, really nice, and it's fun. So I'm here, but still on break though, but I'm gonna go back soon. Beautiful day. So much to learn, so much to learn. All right, break it over.
Claude, Gemini. There you go. There's a 3. Now I'm going to have a whole thing on AI in just afternoon. This is changing the game. Oh, big time. Google. I don't think they're shaking in their boots right now, but they have owned this market for 20 years. 20 years, at least. For the first time ever, though, more searches are happening in large language models. So you guys have heard of ChatGPT.
Six hours later. Wow, that conference was amazing. It was packed with so much information. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. It was really nice. Alright, I'm not going to talk and drive. Let me get my GPS going. This conference was about 40 minutes away from me, so it was a long drive. Alrighty, let me head home, and either today or tomorrow, maybe not today. We'll talk about it. Today? No, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll talk about it. It was really, really, really nice. Oh my God, look at my face. I just got back. Long day. I like to sit here and chit chat. I have cooking to do. So let me go cook some food. I have I need to make moi moi, egg bono, gbegiri, and stew. So we'll talk tomorrow. All right.